Hi guys, welcome to WebSensePro. Welcome to another Shopify tutorial video. And in this video, I'll show you guys how you can add WhatsApp button for your product page, which will say order now on WhatsApp. So what this button will do, if you click on that button, it will already have the product name and the price name, and it will send the message on WhatsApp. And that WhatsApp number is editable via customized settings. And you can also change the color of that WhatsApp button. And there are some other features which I have added on the WhatsApp button, which you can add on your product page. After following this video completely, you will have your WhatsApp button look like this. So this is my product page. And if I scroll down, you can see that I have order on WhatsApp button showing up here. So you might not be selling directly via your Shopify store, and you might be selling via WhatsApp, or your customer might have questions about your product which they can ask via this button. So it's really good for having more interaction with your customer, and it is really good to answer the questions via WhatsApp because everyone use WhatsApp nowadays. So it's suggested to add this button if you want to increase your sale. It's going to definitely help you increase sales of your Shopify store. So if I click on order on WhatsApp, it's going to text to this message, and it will have my product name, as you can see, and the price. So this price and this product is dynamically updated for the products. You don't have to manually add in this message. You can simply edit this part of the message, and the product name and the price will be dynamically pulled from the product page itself. And you can also change the WhatsApp number via customized settings. So now let me go to the customized settings and show you what are the settings you will be getting on this WhatsApp button. So if I go to customized settings, that's my WhatsApp button block, which I'm going to show you how you can add on your product page template. If I click on that, you can see I have the option to edit the number, and I can also change the button text. So currently it says order on WhatsApp. I can say like learn more, have questions, chat on WhatsApp. So you can have a button like this, which is really good for increasing the customer interaction, and the customer might have questions for your product page, which you can answer via WhatsApp. So you can see that that's the default message for the non-product pages. So if you place this button on non-product pages, that's the message which will be sent to the WhatsApp number which you add here. And this is for the product page. So these are the two dynamic variables. This one will have the product name, and this one will have the product price, just as I have mentioned here. You have the option to change the button background color, but I wouldn't suggest changing that because that's the default WhatsApp button color, which I think you should carry on. You can see I have changed the color, but again, it's better to have the default WhatsApp green color because it should look like the WhatsApp button, right? Here we have the option to change the WhatsApp button text color that we can change. So let's try changing it to black. You can see that now we have changed it to black color. Here we have the option to increase and decrease the button padding. So let's increase it to 25 to show you guys that how it works. You can see that we have increased the button padding to 25. I'm going to revert it back to 15 because that was looking much better. Okay, we have the option to increase the button border radius and decrease the button border radius. So you don't need any coding knowledge in order to add this WhatsApp button. I'm just going to give you a few pieces of codes which you can add by following this video, and you will be able to add this WhatsApp button without needing any app, without needing to pay anything. You just have to follow and watch this video completely. Here we have the option of container width. So I'm just going to increase it to 700 and show you guys how it's going to look. So I have increased the width of the button. I'm going to switch it back to 450 because that's how, 450 or 400 to make it aligned with the buy it now button. Okay, 420. Okay, We also have the option to change the button alignment. Now let's get into the tutorial where I'm going to show you guys how you can add it on your product page. That's how currently my product looks like. My product page looks like, where I have this slider. By the way, I have created all of these tutorials already on my YouTube channel and created separate videos for all of the customization which you are currently seeing. If you are new to this channel, I keep creating this type of video tutorial which will help you boost your sales, enhance UI of your Shopify store sales. And the most popular, most watched video I have created on this channel is this one, where you can add a custom badge which will show the compare price percentage. So let me show you. So if I go to my YouTube channel and if I click on videos and click on popular, you can see that this is the third most watched videos which I have added on my channel, which is how to show discount sale badge. It also shows up on top on Google if I do that, how to show discount badge Shopify. Cool. You can see that this one is showing up on top. So make sure to check that out. You can add this discounted animated badge on your product page, which will show the customized percentage off, and all of this text is customizable. And we have all of the settings in customized settings. And so if I go to settings, here's the discount badge. You can see that we can change the text. We can change the background color. All of that stuff is you can easily change and customize based on your own needs. By the way, we have also created a Shopify app just for you guys, which is called Big Bulk Discount. And this app is really good to add volume discount on your Shopify store. Super simple app, and it will help you increase your store sales because volume discount feature is not available in Shopify by default, which you can add via this app. And this app is just $1.99 a month, where I'm offering 7-day free trial. So you just use it for 7-day free trial, and if you see that it helps you increase the sales, you can keep it. Otherwise, just simply uninstall it. Okay, now let's start implementing our WhatsApp order now button, and I am going to install a fresh Dawn theme to show you guys how it's going to work. And let's try Spotlight this time. So I have done a lot of customization on Dawn theme, and I haven't done much customization on Spotlight. So I'm going to install Spotlight and see if this code works fine on Spotlight theme as well. So let's click on add and let our Spotlight theme be installed. And guys, while this theme is being installed, I keep saying that if you want your Shopify store for just $1 a month, you can sign up via link in the description below. This is a limited time offer which Shopify keeps changing. If you use that link now, you will be able to sign up for your Shopify store for just $1 a month. You don't have to pay $30, $29, which is the normal Shopify pricing. So make sure to sign up via that link and have your store for just $1 a month. Okay guys, our Spotlight latest version as of now is 15.3.0 has been added on my development store. I'm going to click on publish and then click on publish again. Okay, our theme has been added. So let's preview this theme. Click on 3 small dots and then click on preview. And let me go to the product page. So this is how the product page currently looks like, and we will be adding our WhatsApp order now button below buy it now button, right? And before we do that, make sure to have a duplicate of your theme, because we will be editing main-product.liquid file. And in case you mess up anything, please don't blame me that I broke your theme. I always suggest, whenever editing the core product files or whatever files, theme files, I suggest having a duplicate of your theme, because in case you mess up anything, you can easily then revert it back. And it's super simple. Click on these 3 small dots and then click on duplicate to duplicate your theme. Mine duplicate is currently not available because I have reached theme limit, and you can just have 20 themes on your store. So if I delete one of the theme, so let me delete one of the older theme, and let me show you guys how to create a duplicate version, because I keep having this comment that my code broke your theme. So there could be various reasons that my code isn't working for you guys. This is could be due to the apps which you already have. the customization which you have already done on your theme, multiple reasons which might make my code not working on your theme. I am doing this on a fresh theme. So if you have a fresh theme, it's going to work completely fine. Even if you have customization, it should work fine if you know what you're doing. But anyway, in case, you should have a backup of your theme, which is super simple. Just click on these 3 small dots and then create a duplicate by clicking on this duplicate button. And as you can see, it's copying the theme. So you can simply just work on copy theme or the live one. In case mess up anything, just revert it back. It's super simple. Okay, now let's start implementing that. I'm going to click on 3 small dots and then click on edit code. And first we will navigate to main-product.liquid file. In main-product.liquid file, we will follow this tutorial where we need to navigate. This link is available in the description of YouTube, so you don't have to sign up for any newsletter, pay for anything for these code instructions. Super simple, just click on the link in the description and you will have this blog post looking like this, where all you need is just follow this and copy and paste the code. So first, in main.liquid file, we will add following code. We'll add this code above this code here. So let's search for quantity selector in our code. And here it is. So I am going to add a line break and then copy code here and then paste the code here. Perfect. We have another customization on main-product.liquid file, which is adding the schema. We will add the schema below at app schema ending. So let's search for that. Here you go. So you can see blocks type at. Make sure to add a code below this comma. Add a line break. Copy code here. And then paste the code. Perfect. After pasting the code, hit save. And now we will create a new snippet file. So scroll down on this tutorial where it says that create a new snippet by the name of WhatsApp-button.liquid. So let's copy this here and go to snippet folder, click on add a new snippet and then paste the file name which we copied. Now obviously remove the .liquid part because it's going to automatically be added from the Shopify itself. So I'm going to remove this. And now let's click on done. And now let's copy the code here and paste it on our WhatsApp-button.liquid file. Perfect. Now let's click save. And now let's open our customizer. Click on these 3 small dots and open our customizer in a new tab. Now from here, I am going to navigate to the product page template, default product. And that is how my product page looks like. I'm going to go to sections and this is the product information section. I'm going to add a block. So click on this plus sign here. And here you can see that we have WhatsApp button. If you're not seeing that on the top, make sure to search it, but you should see that on top. Click on WhatsApp button. And you can see that our order on WhatsApp button is showing up. So I'm just going to scroll it up below buy buttons and let's change the number. And click save. And now let's go to any product page. Let's take a look at this one. Now, if I click on order on WhatsApp, you can see that's the number which I added on my theme customizer. And this is the product, Drop Classic Leather Wireless Charger, right? Drop Classic Leather Wireless Charger. And this is the price of the product. Cool. Let's test it on one of the other product. Let's do on this one. Click on order on WhatsApp and you can see that, hello, I would like to buy this product. price, and the product name. Again, this message and everything is customizable from the customizer settings. So you can just simply change your message here to whatever you want to add in. And that's it with the video, guys. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to add in more features. Would love to create another tutorial for you guys. If you like it and give it like 100 likes, I'm gonna complete all of the requests mentioned in the comments. So help us achieve targets for 100 likes on this video. Until next video, have a great day.